Hello and welcome back to another video, and in this video today I'm going to take you through step by step how to get yourself or how to cop a pair of Yeezy 700 V3 in the Alvah colorway. I'm going to try and break this video down into literally the most step-by-step simple way for people who maybe have never bought a pair of Yeezys before. The Yeezy 700 in the Alvah colorway is the second colorway that we have seen of the Yeezy 700 V3. Now this comes in predominantly an all black colorway. It does have a few elements of 3M as well as some glow in the dark elements to it. I think this is a super dope pair of shoes, and I know a lot of people who are trying to get this pair. What you need to know is that they are releasing on the 11th, which is this Saturday. So you've got two main places, which is going to be Adidas and Yeezy Supply. Now these are going to be your main ways to get them, and obviously I'll take you through all of the details, and I'm even going to jump on my computer in a minute and take you through how to get it up on your computer. The retail price for this pair is going to be $200 and £170. So step number one, what you need to do is enter as many raffles as possible. Now, a lot of raffles are up right now. What I'll do is down in the description box below, I'll leave as many raffle entries as I can find down in the description. I'll put them for the US and the UK. So now pretty much once you've entered all of the raffles, you're just gonna have to make sure you wait till release day, and this is going to be your day when you go to Adidas and Yeezy Supply. Step number two, this is the second thing that you have to do, and it is just get prepared. So make sure you have your laptop ready, make sure you have your wallet with your bank details, and make sure you just have all of your information to be ready. Here in the UK where it's 7 a.m, maybe you want to do that before, the night before, so get everything ready so you don't have to wake up 10 minutes before the release and run around trying to get everything that you need. Now, because this is a splash page, you will have a certain amount of time to quickly get your details into the website. So make sure your laptop is fully charged, make sure your phone is fully charged, make sure you have all of your details ready. Step number three is I'm going to show you on my laptop how to actually get the page up, and what you've got to do. Once you've got Google Chrome open, you're just going to type in Adidas, Yeezy, find the website, click on it. Once this is open, this is basically what the screen looks like now. So it's loaded up on Adidas. So this is what the page looks like. It shows you April the 11th, 7 a.m. This is going to change at 7 a.m. on the 11th. It's going to change to a different screen, and you're going to be in the queue when you go to this website. How to set up multiple Chrome users. What you're going to do is go to this little logo in the top here. Now, as you can see, I've already set up multiple users on here. I've got my main one, person 1, 2, 4, and I should have added different names. But either way, this is what you do. So you make sure you're in the Chrome app, click on the little circle, scroll down to where it says add, click add. And when this comes up with a little like picture thing, click on one of the pictures, type in whatever name you want, so it can literally be anything. So again, you want to do this for 5 to 10. So you do not want to have too many, again, because what will happen is if they see that you've got too many pages open, they will flag you as a bot, and they will literally just flag you as a bot, and you will not get any chance to win this shoe whatsoever. So I would just make all of the screens small so you can see them all. And see which one you get in on. So once you've got all of these open, just make sure that all of your screens are nice and small so you can see the page. As soon as you enter the loading page and you're waiting, you basically just got to wait till that screen comes up, which gives you the option to buy the pair of shoes. Now, obviously, that is if you're successful. So a cool thing that Adidas does is that they have like a little ding sound when you win. Not when you win, but when you get a chance to get into the next page, which is the opportunity to purchase this pair. So what you want to do is make sure that the volume on your computer is up so you can hear that ding, which just saves you from staring at your computer for the next half an hour to an hour, however long this release lasts. That this is going to be your main way to get this shoe. I do think that you do need to be prepared. You do need to wait around on your computer. Make sure that you have everything prepared. Like I just said, setting up all these Chrome users, you don't want to wake up at 7 a.m. and have to do all of this. It's just going to decrease your chances to actually getting this shoe. So once you get into the next page, or if you get into the next page and it gives you the chance to buy this pair, you're going to have to quickly fill out your details. Make sure that it's all correct. Make sure that the payment is the payment details, your card number, whatever it is. Make sure it's all correct on that page. You don't want to mess around in that period because they sell out quick. And that is pretty much it. Again, I will make sure that I leave all of the different places to enter raffles down in the description. And of course, if I've forgotten anything, please let me know. And let me know if you're trying to get this pair. Are you going to be awake on Saturday morning to try and get this pair? I know I am. But either way, that is the end of the video. I hope that I've been able to help you out with this. If I have, please drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more sneaker content, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.